really caught my eye when I was good. Yeah.
Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video will be a simple Thanksgiving holiday makeup look. So I've already gone ahead to do my brows, so I will just apply my face primer, then I'll get into the video.
Eyes locked when I walk in. Two-step to the
Foundation.
Go ahead, bring your best friend. Water bed make it feel so wavy. This pressure makes diamonds. No questions from me till the night ends. One dance. I want you next to me. Two hands. The perfect recipe. Don't rush romance. Your body's all I need. One dance. I want you next to me. To me. 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 I want you next to me. Well, let's go now. Sick and tired of being all alone now. Yeah, you should hit me on my phone now. Don't wanna move too fast, I wanna slow down. Yeah. When I'm by your side, girl, life is so vivid.
Now as the face is setting, I'll be going in with my Beauty lipstick palette to blush up my face.
Stay close. Tunnel vision, you're the only thing that I can see. We're together, baby, I'm the person I should be. This pressure.
After that, I'm going to contour my nose in these shitty shapes, just slightly.
Perfect recipe. Don't rush romance. Your body's all I need. One dance. I want you next to me. To me. I want you next to me. To me.
For my eyes, I'll be using this benign crown white.
To me. I want you next to me. To me. I want you next to me.
Using my Jacqueline Hill palette. Yeah.
I don't wanna feel things, 'cause it feels things way too hard. Got me on the ceiling, but the feels ain't worth the fall. Ooh, la, it's better when I'm numb. I don't wanna feel things.
Using this MAC eyeliner for my waterline, which scares me a lot.
Time. I used to play it kinda cool. Now I don't know what to do when you with the other guys. Ooh, it's only a matter of time. Ooh, before you and me collide. I don't wanna feel things, 'cause I feel things way too hard. Got me on the ceiling, but the feels ain't worth the fall. Ooh, la,
I'll be using this cosmetic spray to spray on my face.
I'm down bad, I get sad. 140 on a dash. On my way, I put my life on the ropes. Sipping wine, come alive. I know kisses follow lies. Say you love me when I know that you don't. Ooh.
I'll finish everything up and come back when I'm all set.
Love.
So this is the final look. I went off camera to apply the lashes, then I added gloss to my lips, did my hair.
Make you feel alright. Come a little closer, baby, I won't bite.
Thanksgiving makeup inspired look. So tell me what you think down in the comment section, and if you'll be trying out this eyeshadow look, just simple nude lips. And I'll leave a link to this hair tutorial down in my description bar. If you're new here, please do hit the subscribe button, like, share, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Hope you stick around and check out my other videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.